In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule Microsoft to do tasks in Outlook 5 minutes. Let's get started by opening Outlook. You can use the web version in your browser or the desktop app, whichever you prefer. Make sure you're signed into the account where your tasks live so everything stays in sync across Outlook and Microsoft To Do. Next, move into your calendar. In most layouts, you'll find the calendar icon along the left sidebar or at the bottom of the window. Switching to calendar is helpful because you'll be planning your time and seeing how your tasks line up with your schedule. Now open To Do inside Outlook. Look for the To Do icon on the left app rail or the My Day and To Do pane on the right side. Clicking To Do reveals your task lists and gives you quick access to task details without leaving Outlook. If you don't immediately see your lists, expand the pane so you can browse them comfortably. Choose the task you want to schedule, click the task to open its details. This is where you can see the title, notes, and other fields. If your task titles are vague, consider refining them so they're action oriented. It makes scheduling and follow through much easier. Also confirm you're in the correct list, especially if you organize by projects or contexts. In the task details, click Add Due Date. This option usually appears near the top of the details pane, often accompanied by a small calendar icon. Adding a due date is the key to making your task time aware, so it stands out during your daily and weekly reviews. It won't block time on your calendar like a meeting, but it will give your task a clear target. Select a date from the picker that opens. You can choose today, tomorrow, or a specific date on the calendar. Pick the date that reflects when you truly intend to complete the task, not just when you first thought about it. If you work across time zones or travel often, double check that your Outlook time zone is set correctly so due dates match your expectations. After you select the date, the task will show as due on that day in To Do, and you'll be able to plan around it in Outlook's views. That's it. By opening Outlook, switching to calendar, using To Do, selecting a task, adding a due date and choosing the right date, you've scheduled your Microsoft To Do task in Outlook. Use this simple flow to keep your priorities visible and your day organized.